Claude AI download failed. Proven fixes for download failure errors on web and desktop. Are you getting Claude download failed errors on the web version or Claude desktop? File attachments refuse to upload, or the desktop app won't download and install. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly why these failures happen, and every proven fix so you can upload files and use Claude instantly. There are two different types of download failures. File attachment failures on Claude.ai and Claude desktop application download failures. I will cover both. Type 1. File attachment failures on Claude.ai. Fix number 1. Check if your file format is supported. Claude supports PDF, TXT, DOCX, PPTX, XLSX, CSV, PNG, JPG, GIF, WebP, and Common Code files. If you are trying to upload BMP, TIFF, RAW, or other unsupported formats, it will fail. Convert your file to a supported format first. Fix number 2. Check your file size. Each file must be under approximately 32 megabytes. If your file is larger, split it into smaller parts or compress it. If that is not possible, copy and paste the text content directly instead of uploading. Fix number 3. Refresh the Claude page. Press Ctrl+R on Windows or Command+R on Mac. This clears temporary upload issues and reconnects Claude properly. Fix number 4. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Go to Settings, click Privacy and Security, select Clear Browsing Data, check Cookies and Cache, select All Time and Confirm, then reload Claude. Fix number 5. Disable browser extensions. Open Claude in an incognito window where extensions are disabled. If file uploads work there, an extension is interfering. Disable extensions one by one to find the problem. Fix number 6. Turn off your VPN, disconnect from any VPN completely. VPNs interfere with file upload authentication and cause failures. Fix number 7. Check your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection causes uploads to fail or timeout. Test another website and make sure your connection is fast and stable. Fix number 8. Try a different browser. If uploads fail in Chrome, try Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Different browsers handle file uploads differently. Fix number 9. Wait if Claude is experiencing server issues. Go to status.anthropic.com and check if Claude is experiencing any degradation. If so, wait for Anthropic to fix it. Type 2. Claude desktop application download failures. Fix number 1. Check Windows permissions. If you get a requires elevation error on Windows, go to Settings, search for Internet options, click the Security tab, select Internet Zone, click Custom Level, and enable File Download. Then enable launching applications and unsafe files. Retry the download. Fix number 2. Disable antivirus temporarily. Antivirus software sometimes blocks Claude installers. Temporarily disable your antivirus, download Claude, and immediately re-enable it. This determines if antivirus is the problem. Fix number 3. Clear your downloads folder. Move old files out of your downloads folder. Having too many files there can cause download issues. Clear it out and retry. Fix number 4. Download the correct version. Make sure you are downloading the right Claude version for your operating system. Windows uses .exe or .msi. Mac uses .dmg. Download the correct one. Fix number 5. Disable Windows Smart Screen if blocking downloads. Windows Smart Screen may flag Claude as an unknown app. Go to Windows Defender Settings, click App and Browser Control, and disable Smart Screen for downloaded files temporarily. Retry the download and re-enable it. Fix number 6. Run the installer as administrator. Right-click the Claude installer, select Run as administrator, and complete the installation. Fix number 7. Check your disk space. Make sure your computer has at least 5 gigabytes of free storage available for Claude desktop. Fix number 8. Delete and reinstall. If Claude is already installed but the download keeps failing, completely uninstall Claude from your computer. Go to Settings, click Apps, find Claude, click Uninstall, confirm, and wait for complete removal. Then download and install fresh. Pro tip. For file upload issues, the number 1 cause is unsupported file formats or files exceeding 32 megabytes. Before trying anything else, confirm your file format is supported and your file size is under the limit. For Claude desktop download issues, the problem is usually Windows permissions or antivirus blocking. Temporarily disable your antivirus to determine if that is the cause. So to recap, for file uploads, check file format and size, refresh the page, clear cache and cookies, disable extensions, turn off VPN, check internet connection, try another browser, and wait for server issues. For desktop downloads, check Windows permissions, disable antivirus, clear downloads folder, download the correct version, disable smart screen, run as administrator, verify disk space, and reinstall if needed. If this video helped you fix Claude download failures, hit the like button and subscribe for more Claude troubleshooting guides. And drop a comment below telling me which fix worked for you. See you in the next one.